Just a short update. My daughter-in-law's got the first section of clouds done, and I'll pan through this so you can get an idea on it. There's some high clouds. There's some of the background hills. And she's got it done down to the window. And I just watched Texas lose to OU in the Big 12 championship game. So anyway, that's where we stand right now. And I think she's done a great job. Bye. An update on the progress of the painted backdrop. So here we go. This is the area where the stock feedlot will be, and that'll be the scenery behind it. Then we're going to walk and shake, walk and shake. There's another UFO. Some big clouds. And we're coming down into Paradigm, which is right in this area. And this is where the storm clouds are going to start. I have to kind of move the camera around because of the sunlight coming in the window. If you'll notice, it's already starting to rain here. And then she's going to be continuing to work in this area today. So, but anyway, that's a good update. See you later. Just another quick update. This is the thunderstorm area near the town of Paradigm. If you remember the track plan stations in this area right here, this is where the 1st and 2nd divisions split off, and this is the track that goes around to the peninsula. And this is the main line going west over here, these two tracks. So this is the thunderstorm beginning. There's the tornado in the corner. I'll go try to get a little closer. Some of the lightning bolts, the massive clouds. Did a fantastic job on the clouds. Still got some more work to do. She's going to be blending in stuff as we go off to the right. But I think this looks really, really ominous. Having lived in this part of the country, that's about what it looks like. So, but anyway, just wanted you all to see that. And there's the this is the BLI subwoofer to the thunderstorm system, and we had it running yesterday. But when we get it done and I get some of the buildings back up, we'll go ahead and play the whole thing. So, but anyway, that's where we stand now. Bye. Now again, just want to show you kind of the mess that's here in the train building. So there's all the painting supplies, because my painter is off until after Christmas. So, but so it's most of the rest of the layout's pretty much the same. I've had to strip a lot of the buildings down in this area in preparation for her next phase. So we'll stop here and I'll go back to the corner. Okay, I'm back. Here's kind of the middle of the area. She started doing some of the scenery down in the back. So I was going to kind of do some mountain scenery in here, but then I decided I think her painting is better than my mountaining. So, but this is a pretty decent shot of that tornado area and some of the lightning bolts. we're looking at maybe seeing if we could find some paint to kind of highlight the lightning bolts so that when the LEDs that are back here eventually they'll be permanently mounted. When they flash, that you'll be able to see those better. So, and she's kind of adjusted a little bit of the storm here on this side. So, but this is all we're going to get between now and Christmas, which is fine. So we got family coming for visits. So, but that's my favorite corner right there. So, but anyway, hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.